You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to get into this bomb Fenugreek hair mask. So as you know, I'm going to be doing a hair mask every month on my channel for the next couple of months. And this month I chose this hair mask because I saw the benefits of fenugreek seeds. So if you don't know, fenugreek is a natural herb and it has so many benefits to it. It is good for various different things. So let's get into it. If you're not subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Join the family. I just like to give out hair tips, self-care tips. We talk about God. Just do a little bit of everything on this channel. So let's get right into it. So I want to start off with the benefits of fenugreek for your hair. Fenugreek contains a fat called lecithin, which reduces hair fall, improves hair health, and ensures good growth. It also contains rich vitamins such as vitamin B6, vitamin A, and C. So all of these things that you need in order to improve the health and the growth, the strength of your hair. So one thing you want to do to ensure that you are getting all of the benefits of your fenugreek seeds, you're going to soak your seeds overnight. That's something that I did not do, but I wanted to let you guys know you should definitely soak your seeds overnight, and that will also help with breaking down the seeds when you are putting this into the blender. This is one step that I skipped and I regret it, and you will see why I regret it at the end. So let's get right into it. So I used 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds. I will put the link down below. I purchased these from Amazon. You can also purchase these from any international store as well. They smell so good. Like it smells like maple syrup. The next thing that you're going to do, you're going to place 2 cups of water in a pot on the stove, and then you're going to pour your fenugreek seeds inside. I liked to spread my seeds out just to make sure that it is even throughout the pan. So I left them on the stove for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, or until it boils just a little bit. And I tested out a couple of seeds just to make sure that they were ready. It will look a little bit like this. If they are ready, they will open. You'll see like the shell. So you are going to then take your seeds and the water, you are going to put that in the blender. Please do not dump the water because that water is going to be what you need in order for the seeds to, become a mask. So this is a step that I incorporated just to make it my own and to just enhance the hair mask. I added aloe vera juice, and you all know the benefits of aloe vera, how great it is for our hair. So I added aloe vera juice along with more water just until I got the consistency of the mask that I wanted. So you can make this mask as thick as you want it or as thin as you want it by adding more water or aloe vera juice if you want to add aloe vera juice. You can also add other things like coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil. You can create your own hair mask, but these are a few things that I used for my hair mask, but you can definitely make it your own. This is what the hair mask looked like with 2 cups of water. So I went on ahead and I added more water to it. It was just too thick for my liking. So this is what the end result of that was, and I'm in love with it. It felt so smooth. The slip, guys, y'all, the slip of this mask was amazing. I was just like, what in the world? It felt so silky and smooth. Like, I just could not wait to put this on my hair. It is currently 12:21 at night. In the morning, did leave this in overnight. I want to say this is day 2. So I left this in to just sit a little bit. So this is what it looks like. Stop laughing. It's not funny. But No, it's not that thick, to be honest, but it is a hair mask. If you don't want your hair mask to be this thick, then you can definitely add more water to it. But you see, it is moving slowly. Do y'all hear that? If you have any chipped nails, make sure that you do file them down because you don't want to snag your hair in this process. So I'm going to wash my hair. I picked up this Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla shampoo. It's a moisture shampoo. I told myself that I was going to do a different hair mask every month just to see like which one I really like. I did start off by washing my hair. I wanted to wash all the residue out my hair because I did have a protective style. And now I'm going to deep condition with the Fenugreek Hair Mask. So I sectioned my hair off. I detangled. Starting from the ends to the root, I applied the mask, really paying more attention to my ends because that is the oldest part of my hair, of course. And yeah, I'm just going to apply it. I did notice that this mask made my hair very soft, but not only soft, I felt like it elongated my curls. And you'll definitely see that at the end as well. So yeah. I wanted to show you guys this section of my hair because this part of my hair I normally don't show. The back of my hair does not grow like that at all. About 5 years ago or so, I did big chop the back of my hair. I shaved it off, just the back. But now I'm trying to grow it and be more intentional about growing it. So when we are doing the hair growth challenge, my goal is going to focus on growth in that area. Keep this on my hair for about 15 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it. I usually like to rinse my hair mask out with a conditioner. Just like a light conditioner. Let me get my receipt. Ooh, first of all, my curls are popping right now. That's first of all. Second of all, I really feel like, this really elongated my curls. It stretched my hair, as you can see. It really stretched my hair, especially on this side, because on this side, I did put a little bit more of the hair mask. This side I didn't put too much, but you could tell it elongated my curls. But let's get a little up close and personal. Okay. One thing I'm not happy about, y'all, why didn't I use that bag? I like forgot all about it. But I'm gonna have a field day trying to take these little bits out of my hair. Baby, what are you doing? But yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and condition my hair. Not deep condition, I'm just gonna condition my hair real quick while I shower. But this is how it came out. Really like the way my curls are looking. It feels like it is clarified. Like it feels like it's cleansed. Okay. It does feel soft too. It does feel, okay. So one pro is that I really liked my hair and how it felt afterwards. One con is that I really wished that I soaked the seeds overnight, because when you soak the seeds overnight, it also helps to break down the seeds in the blender, so that way you won't have any residue like how I did. You can also try a nut milk bag. That will also help with alleviating any of the seed shells that are also left behind. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Check the verse of the scripture down below in the description box, and make sure you stay prayed up as always. See you in my next video. Bye.
She special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie.